Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make falsa sorbet. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of fresh falsa berries, ensuring the best possible flavor. Also, have ready 1/2 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of fresh lime juice. Finally, prepare 1 cup of water, which will be used to create a simple syrup base for our delicious sorbet. Next, let's prepare our falsa puree. Start by washing your 2 cups of falsa berries very well under cool running water. Once clean, combine the berries with 1/4 cup of water in a blender. Blend until the mixture is completely smooth. Then, carefully strain this puree through a fine mesh sieve to ensure a silky smooth texture, free from any seeds or pulp. Now, let's create the simple syrup, which adds sweetness and prevents ice crystals. In a small saucepan, combine 1 cup of water with 1/2 cup of sugar. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring continuously until all the sugar has completely dissolved. It's crucial to let this simple syrup cool down entirely before you mix it with the falsa puree. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Combine the cooled simple syrup with your strained falsa puree and the 1/4 cup of fresh lime juice. Pour this vibrant mixture into your ice cream maker and churn for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until it reaches a soft serve consistency. Transfer the sorbet to an airtight container and freeze for at least 4 hours for perfect firmness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.